Winter hikes just hit differently, especially out here. Today, I am out for a winter spike hike at Fort Foster in Kittery, Maine. Fresh snow, cold air, and that peaceful quiet that only winter brings. I love the sound of my spikes crunching in the snow. That's about all you hear. That and the ocean. The waves rolling in against the rocks are just a wonderful sound. Steady, calming, like nature's white noise. Just off the fort, you can see Whaleback Lighthouse standing out on the rocks. It's been guiding ships into harbor since the 1800s. And stretching out into the water is the old breakwater, built to protect the harbor from rough seas. Covered in snow, it looks almost frozen in time. Fort Foster was built in the early 1900s to protect the Portsmouth Naval Shipyard and the harbor entrance. During World War I and II, soldiers stood watch here, manning coastal guns aimed out toward the Atlantic. It's wild to imagine them scanning these same waters through freezing nights, waiting for ships that never came. The guns were never fired in combat, but they were ready. I love being out in the cold like this. It clears my mind, slows everything down. Just history, ocean air, and quiet snowy trails. Thanks for coming along on this winter hike at Fort Foster. If you enjoy peaceful ocean views and a little history mixed in, this place is something really special.